Today we are making milkshake on a budget. We are going to spend around 3,000 naira, which is barely $2. If you have friends and family around, you don't need to break your bank before you give them a nice treat. So first, we need to get the ingredients we need for this milkshake. Go to any supermarket near you to get this sachet vanilla ice cream. It is called Fan Ice. If you are in Nigeria or Ghana, you can easily get this from the guys that sells bull roads and donuts with their bicycle. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So if you are not in Nigeria, you can get the fine ice or any vanilla ice cream that is not too expensive from a nearby store. We are also going to get these chocolate biscuits to replace Oreos because we are making Oreos milkshake as well, and Oreos is quite expensive. And since we are on budget, we need cheaper chocolate biscuits. And this is the type I could get. You can get any brand of your choice. We are also going to get small sachet powder milk because what is milkshake without milk? I'm using Dano milk. You can use any powdered milk of your choice. So this is everything I got. I got these 5 fan highs for 350 naira each, and Dano milk for 200 naira each, and these two small sizes chocolate biscuits for 150 naira each. You can get any low budget chocolate biscuit of your choice or any milk of your choice and any vanilla ice cream brand of your choice. Just make sure they are not too expensive because we are on budget. So everything I got here is a total of 2,850 naira. This should make us up to 3 cups of milkshake. Now we need a clean blender. Cut the sachet milk, add it into a clean cup, then add some water, mix together properly. I'll leave the measurements in the description. Pour in the blender, then cut 2 ice cream. Add it to the milk in the blender. You can also add a tablespoon of vanilla extract if you have, since we are making vanilla milkshake. But we are on budget, so there is no need if you don't have vanilla extract. I'm not adding actually. I have, but I'm not adding. I prefer it like this. So now we are going to cover the blender and blend it for some seconds till it's very smooth. Pour into your cup. Can you see how creamy this looks? Now we are going to cut another sachet of fan ice on the tip, a little bit like this, then add it on top of the milkshake in a circular form, just exactly the way I'm doing it. We are supposed to use whipped cream, but whipped cream is very expensive and we are on budget, so this is a perfect way to give that whipped cream vibe, right? You get it? You can add any toppings of choice, but there is no need. This vanilla milkshake is perfect just like this, and it tastes really, really good. Now let's make Oreos milkshake. Add your powdered milk into a cup with some water just like we did earlier. Mix it properly. Add it to the blender. Then cut the vanilla ice cream. We are using 2 this time around as well. And then add it to the blender, to the milk in the blender. Then add the Oreos as well. Obviously, we are not using Oreos. Let's just pretend it's Oreos. We are going to remain some for toppings. Blend it properly for some seconds. Pour into a clean cup. Then cut another fan ice a little bit on the tip. Add it on top of it gently in a circular way, just like we did earlier. Now add a pair of Oreos on top of it to give it that aesthetic look. Then crush some on top of it as toppings like this and to also beautify it. This looks very beautiful and yummy. There is no way your family and visitors won't love this, and they won't even know it's on budget. Like, how would they know? Just add a straw and enjoy. Honestly, this tastes really, really good. It is very yummy, creamy, and refreshing. So guys, will you be trying this budget milkshake? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share with your loved ones.